Can you believe there are 8 heavy-duty storage bags in here? That is how small they can fold up. Check this out. So you unwrap it. Look at the size of this already. But wait, this is insane. It is so large and it has a zipper. So look at that. So much space in here. It can hold up to 60 pounds. You have your straps like this if you want to carry it. There are also straps on the back that you can put it on your back and wear it like a backpack. So it will make it easier for carrying. These are perfect for moving, for storing. Right now, I'm just thinking of like all of my Christmas decorations, Halloween, like every season, I can put my decorations in here and then they will store nicely away in my closet. They literally can be used for virtually anything. They are triple stitched. So these bad boys, look at this. They're heavy. This is going nowhere. They are awesome. And I just love that, again, they can fold up really, really small. They're not going to take up any space if you're not using them. But then they just, bam, open up all the space.